तरीके का एक और पल आया, क्या कहना चाहेंगी जो लोग आपको देख रहे हैं?
I shall say thank you so much. I was actually it's a very different experience. I'm always behind the camera, and Pradeep has believed in me, and he said actually he started with a lot of jokes. He wanted an actor to do his to be a face of his right for his jewelry.
Call you for advice.
So
who should I take?
so like I was just joking with him. I said, Pradeep, I'll get you anybody, but you know how the dates are when you want and all. Tell me. So like I just told him, okay, मैं ही कर लेती हूँ यार. So he said,
I grabbed
अच्छा.
it. I couldn't let that go. Too good an opportunity to let go. She said, why not me? I said, best. I don't think I could get a better face for my company.
But still, I thought it was a joke, and I just thought, okay, chalo, ho gayi baat and sab kuch. And I said, after 2 days, then after 2 days, again Pradeep calls me saying, I hope you're on and you're serious about it. I said, and then still I thought we are continuing the joke. I said, हाँ Pradeep, आपके लिए तो कुछ भी कर लेंगे. We are such good friends. He said, not friends but family friends. So I said, okay. And फिर after 2 days he's booked Dabu, and he said, I've done everything and all that, and we're all on it. I was shocked at that time. I said, really, Pradeep? He said, yes, we are doing it. And now if you back up, I will back out. I will really get angry. I said, and actually he believed in me, and now I'm here because of that.
You have been announced as a new face of Jet Gem. So what is your feeling? Like how special and how different it is from your previous experiences?
I've been wearing Jet Gems from a long time, like from years, and from when I know him from like at least 15-20 years we have been, and his stuff is so beautiful that even if you wear it, even my kids can wear it, and our generation can wear it, and the quality he uses are fine, and everything till now I have never faced a problem, and his pricing is really good. I've gone everywhere, but I enjoy picking up only. I end up actually picking up here.
Pradeep, what was the reason to choose her as a new face?
Well, firstly, she's a very old friend. At the same time, I've always identified something that her choice is what I make out of passion. So when she wears my jewelry, I enjoy it more. And of course, at the same time, she signifies charm, elegance, beauty, simple. At the same time, a different individual, a woman who signifies success today. And any woman who inspires anything today should look up at Krishika, because she's definitely a beautiful woman, a classy woman, and very elegant, and a successful woman. I don't think anybody else would look for anything else in her.
लोग किंग को लेते हैं, क्वीन को लेते हैं, आपने किंग और क्वीन मेकर को लिया है, तो कोई खास वजह?
If I have to take Bollywood, then let's take the mother of Bollywood, no? Why not? Absolutely. You agree with that?
Yeah.
Right?
Thank you.
Of your personality or your life or anything that you would really be able to personify with the tagline, just flaunt it. Any one part of your life that you would really be flaunting every
See,
time?
there's every part of your life, I feel you're learning something. There's not one aspect. When you feel that, okay, I've achieved something, then something else comes. It's never a moment can say, okay, I've achieved anything. I still feel there's a question mark in everything because you're never perfect still. Yeah?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.